The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has evaluated a total of 21 vehicles recently, and among them was the 2025 Mazda CX-70. As the slightly smaller counterpart to the CX-90, the CX-70 performed exceptionally well, securing top scores in every crashworthiness category. The Institute released crash test footage showcasing the CX-70 undergoing a front overlap crash at 40 miles per hour. The setup included a stationary barrier, with 40% of the vehicle's front making contact. To provide a realistic assessment, 2 crash test dummies were used, one representing an average-sized adult male in the driver's seat and another mimicking a 12-year-old child or petite woman in the back seat. The smaller dummy was particularly chosen to evaluate the risk of submarining, a phenomenon where the lap belt slips over the pelvis and onto the abdomen, increasing injury risk. Impressively, no such issue occurred during the CX-70's tests. The Mazda CX-70 earned high marks across the board, including in the updated moderate overlap front crash test, the original moderate overlap test, the small overlap front test, and the updated side impact test. Seatbelt reminders and the vehicle's pedestrian detection systems for both day and nighttime scenarios also received favorable ratings. However, there was room for improvement in the performance of the headlights. The projector-style LED lights provided subpar visibility on the left side of the road and during left turns, particularly with the low beams. Introduced in January 2024, the CX-70 is built on Mazda's large product group architecture, featuring rear-wheel drive characteristics. It offers a mild hybrid, turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-cylinder plug-in hybrid option. With its impressive safety credentials, modern platform, and competitive pricing starting at $40,445, the CX-70 offers a compelling alternative to competitors like the Jeep Grand Cherokee.